Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is their Heart Poppin Bath Bomb. It's absolutely gorgeous. Everything I've ever ordered for them, I don't think I've ever gotten anything that was broke. Everything is just 100% flawless and just really pretty. Colors are super vibrant, and you can tell that they take a lot of time on their bath bombs. And this one had a ton of fragrance notes. It said mandarin slices, pink berries, waterlily, a fruity floral fusion of tuberose and white peach with notes of amber, musk, and sandalwood. So a lot going on there, but it smelled really, really good. You could definitely pick up on a little bit of the fruitiness and a little bit of floral. And just like I say about all their bath bombs, there's always a ton of color hidden inside, and it's very vibrant. So you'll see when I pick up the bath bomb, there's like little squares of color built into the middle of it, and that makes the little rainbow effect. And unfortunately, I think this one is sold out on their website, but some of their other ones are still available. Once they sell out of everything, their website will be turned off, for lack of a better word. You'll just see like a splash page where you can enter your email if you want to get notified when they come back up. And once they come back up, there'll be all new items released. So here's kind of what the bath bomb looked like. See the little pods of color in the middle. I returned it to the tub for a few more minutes, and then once everything was completely dissolved, this is what it looked like. The water's like a reddish purple, very pretty. And if you guys would like to order anything from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, I do have a promo code I will put below, and you'll receive 10% off your first order. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.